Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new to my channel, hello there, I am Namira, Taneem from Canada. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a memory that happened a while back, before this pandemic started. I wanted to have a throwback series where I can share my time and memories with my YouTube family, which are you guys. By the way, thank you all so much for 1.35k subscribers on my YouTube channel. Speaking of which, also, as you all know, I did do a giveaway video last month. So all I wanted to say is that I am going to be doing the giveaway this week soon, inshallah. And also I will be doing another giveaway September 16th, so stay tuned for that as well. I really wanted to do this giveaway in a while, and now that I have the chance to do it, I really hope that you guys do participate in this giveaway. Don't worry guys, if you do not win, maybe next time or another time I do a giveaway, inshallah you may win. So keep your hopes up and please participate in this, and let me know by DMing me on Instagram, commenting on one of my posts, or even commenting on my video on YouTube to let me know that you did do the giveaway. And also write something that is very amazing, eye-catching like I always said. How about write something that you are grateful for? I am grateful for having you guys, my YouTube family, and having 1.35k subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your love and support, and please continue loving me and supporting me in my future. Anyways, in this video, I will be going back to Disneyland, and you guys are coming with me. So this is a part 3 of my road trip to America. Let's go. This is a parade that happens at the nighttime. It is called the Phantasmic, and it is a parade filled with lights and different characters from different Disney movies. This parade starts at 9:30 p.m. and ends somewhere at midnight. This parade is very long as you get to see different characters, dancers, and lights. This is really fun because for the kids at the end of the show, closest to the end, they get free candy. They just toss candy out and kids have to catch them. It was really fun and it's really nice. This is a really cool parade and we all thought this was really amazing. The next characters are Rapunzel and Cinderella. Rapunzel is from the movie Tangled and Cinderella is from the movie Cinderella. These next characters are from the movie Incredibles. I really like that movie and the characters themselves.
I think this is
This was definitely the best parade I've ever seen so far. These next characters are Goofy, Donald, Minnie, and Mickey. I am a huge Disney fan and I love Disney movies, and I did some research and found out that these are the main characters for Disney. And Mickey was created by Walt Disney himself. He was also the first character in Disney Studio. Mickey Mouse was first debuted in Steamboat Willie, and that was in November 18th, 1928. After that, they upgraded Mickey and made him look better, I guess. One day I was really curious to find out who actually did the voice for Mickey Mouse. So when I did some research, I found out that Wayne Allwine was the voice for Mickey Mouse. Unfortunately, he passed away, so the new person for Mickey Mouse's voice is Brett Iwan in 2020. When I saw the people walking behind the people, I thought that the parade ended and I was really sad. But then I saw that there were more people coming, more characters, and the parade was still on, and it was like a second part to the parade. These next characters are Tinkerbell and Peter Pan from the movie Peter Pan. Since I'm a huge fan of Disney, I basically know every detail of it. So I found out that Disney is going to be releasing a movie and the star is going to be Tom Holland, and they're going to recreate Peter Pan real life version. I am super excited for that. Peter Pan and Tinkerbell were one of my favorite characters when I was younger, and I really liked the movies. Now I like different movies, but I still do watch them when I'm really bored. Monster Inc. has got to be the best movie I've ever seen. I really love that movie because it is just really fun and really adorable. I really love the concept of that movie, and I was super happy when I saw these characters. We were like, oh my goodness, that's Monster Inc. Those are the characters from Monster Inc. It was really fun, and I really loved this part. The movie Cars and the character Lightning McQueen was Afon's #1 favorite character and favorite movie. Afon is my brother and he really loved this movie. I also did like this movie, but not as much. He's a huge car fan and he always likes to watch cars and different things related to cars, but this was really cool. I really enjoyed the truck. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did. This was a really nice time in Disneyland. We loved the parade, we enjoyed the lights, everything was awesome. But let's not forget about the shoutouts. So today's shoutout goes to Lazy Girl Cooking Vlog, Raza Vlog, Are Anywhere, Beth Marys, and Bow and Pix. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. If you guys want your comments to be featured on my screen, make sure you guys like this video and comment down below as well. And question of the day, if you guys have ever been to Disneyland, let me know down in the comment section. And if you haven't yet, would you like to go there, and what would you want to do over there? Also, stay tuned for the giveaway. I will be doing it very soon, inshallah. And I hope you guys do win. If you don't, there is always another time. So I really hope you guys participate in this giveaway. Once you have done everything in the giveaway video, as I said, make sure you guys comment down below so that I know you guys have done the giveaway. It will be out very soon. I might go live, but I'll let you guys know on my Instagram and on my community. So stay tuned and check it out. After the parade was done, we went back to the tram station. That is where we came from in the morning, and we used that to get back to the parking lots. We also saw fireworks happening in the sky, and it lit up the whole night. It was really pretty, and it was really fun. After the day ended, we were in the tram and we sat down, and it was like the best thing ever because we were standing up for a long time throughout the whole day, and we barely found any seating spots, so it felt really good. Well guys, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're at it. That will help my channel a lot. Thank you so much for 1.35k subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!
Zayan, have fun.
Hey guys!
Namira.